This weekend is a perfect opportunity to connect with yourself and recharge your energy. Take a moment to breathe, reflect, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. No matter how hard this week has been, what matters is that you are here with the strength to keep moving forward. Use these days to dream big, appreciate what you have, and prepare to face the upcoming week with determination. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. This weekend is yours to make the most of it.